Hey guys, today we're going to be downloading and creating a Windows 10 boot drive onto a flash drive. The boot drive is used to download your operating system onto your computer when you first boot up into the BIOS. Once you put your parts together and it successfully powers on, you will be sent to this screen. The BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System and is the firmware used to perform initialization and is pre-installed on motherboards. All motherboard manufacturers have a different looking BIOS, but they function the same. Let's get started and download Windows 10 onto a flash drive so our computer can boot up using Windows instead of BIOS. Let's go over what tools you'll need to set this up. First, you'll need another computer or laptop to download Windows from. This computer needs at least one USB port and to have a browser and internet. A phone will not work, so right now I'm using my current PC that I'm recording on. Next, you'll need a flash drive, like this one, with USB-A, with at least 16 gigabytes of storage, but preferably more. The drive will need to be formatted, and the drive will automatically be formatted once you download Windows, so you don't need to worry about this. And then you'll need your fully built PC that boots into the BIOS that you want to download Windows 10 to. Now that we have all of our tools, we can begin to download the OS onto the flash drive. So first, open Chrome or whatever browser you have and search up Windows Media Creation Tool and click on the first link, like this. I'll have it linked below if you can't find it. So it's called Windows Media Creation Tool. Click on the first link, this one, and if you can't find it, it'll be linked below. Next, you want to click on this download tool now in the middle of the page. Make sure your USB drive is plugged in, so get this drive, plug it into the USB port of the computer you're using. Like that, make sure it's recognized. And then press download tool now onto the flash drive. So your thing is downloading now, so press open, press yes. And now Windows is just getting ready to install on the flash drive that I just put into my computer. So make sure to read all of the licensing and agreements because this is very important. Just kidding, no one reads this. Just skip ahead. And it's just getting ready to install now. So you want to go to Create Installation Media on a flash drive. Press Next. Make sure it's English, Windows 10, and 64-bit. This is recommended, but I don't think you need to change it. Press Next. You're going to use USB flash drives. Press Next. Yeah, this is my flash drive called D drive, and now it's just getting ready. Alright guys, so the USB flash drive is ready, so you can press finish, and now it's just cleaning up before it closes, so you're done. You've downloaded it, so now you have a fully functional flash drive with Windows 10 on there. So my PC obviously has Windows 10 already installed, that's how I'm able to record all this. But once you plug this into your newly pre-built PC, enter the BIOS and select this is the boot drive, so it'll copy Windows to your computer. Before you do that, you might want to go to your file manager and call this USB something more like identifiable, like Windows 10. Yeah, so just call this Windows 10 so you know where it is. So now you can take out your drive. And this flash drive right here has Windows 10 completely installed onto it. Now let's talk about what type of Windows you just downloaded onto the flash drive. This is the newest version of Windows 10 that is 100% functional, however it's not activated. This means you can't do some personalization features. For example, you can't change the background color, the lock screen, or colors. You'll also have a watermark at the bottom right of your screen that looks something like this. You can easily enter an activation code into settings like this. You can check right here where it's activated. I have Windows 10 Pro as you can see, so I have no watermark right here. You can easily find Windows 10 Pro keys for just $10 on stuff like Electronics First. This is what I use, and I'll have it linked down below so you can find it as well. This is a lot cheaper. It's like $9 US compared to a company like Newegg, which sells it for $150. I'll link both of those down below so you can buy them. Now that you've downloaded Windows 10 onto your newly built PC, you can fully enjoy the features and capabilities that Windows 10 has to offer.